This is ZGA Hypershift, our most saturated interference hypershift. It shifts from a bold green to a deep blue and even some crazy purples at extreme angles. And this right here is desert tan. Today, you're going to see what happens when we spray ZGA over desert tan. So a while back, what happened was we learned that with interference style pearls and hypershifts, with deep, dark bases, we wanted to keep that pigment load light. But with lighter, brighter bases, you can ramp that pigment load all the way up to like 25 grams per gallon, and it intensifies the effect big time. Let me show you ZGA real quick. You're not gonna be able to see all that much, but you get kind of the gist of it. And as soon as we realized that with lighter, brighter bases, we can really pump up the pigment load, I told Gabe, dude, we have to do this over desert tan. One of my favorite Plasti Dip bases by a long shot. So, with that in mind, we're doing 25 grams per gallon of ZGA Hypershift over desert tan. I'm excited. Gabe, thoughts?
I'm gonna love it.
This is gonna be incredible. I don't usually make a prediction like that because usually when I do it ends up being wrong. But I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is gonna be awesome. I am manifesting a positive result, which means something is likely going to go terribly wrong. So here's ZGA. You're going to see some blues on top. You're going to see some greens kind of swirling. This one does have a very high sparkle effect, large particle. It's not really my favorite part of the pearl, but the color and the vibrancy makes up for it. So check how this comes alive over the old stick of truth. Oh my God. Check this out. Boom, ba-bam. Check that, bat, bat. I mean, it's nuts. This over desert tan, it should be awesome. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the car. I had a feeling this one was gonna be wild, and it did not disappoint. I'm gonna take it outside right now. I'm gonna get you some shots in the direct sunlight and in the overcast because this color combo has so much to offer. I like it so much, in fact, we turned it into a car kit. There's a link in the description box below. If you wanna replicate this exact same color, there's a kit that will include everything you need. But you know the routine. Take a good look at the color and let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Rate this one for me 1 through 5. And if you wanna change the color of your own wheels, emblems, or whole car, we have a ton of kits and a ton of different colors. They're all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this project. We love it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you on the next one.